Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a super popular budget-friendly robot vacuum that still delivers solid performance, the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. If you're tired of daily sweeping and want something simple, reliable, and effective without spending a fortune, this might be exactly what you need. First thing you'll notice is how incredibly slim this robot is. At just about 2.85 inches thick, it easily slides under beds, sofas, and furniture where dust usually hides. That's a big advantage over bulkier robot vacuums that miss those tight spaces. Despite its compact size, the suction power is impressive. With BoostIQ technology, it automatically increases suction within seconds when it detects tougher messes or transitions from hard floor to carpet. In real-world use, it performs best on hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. It picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris efficiently. It's not designed for deep cleaning thick carpets, but for everyday maintenance cleaning, it does a great job keeping your home consistently clean. Another highlight is how quiet it is. Compared to traditional vacuums, this runs at a much lower noise level, so you can use it even while studying, watching TV, or sleeping without disturbance. It also features multiple cleaning modes like auto, spot, and edge cleaning, so you can target specific areas when needed. Battery life is solid too, giving you up to around 100 minutes of cleaning on hardwood floors. And once it's low on power, it automatically returns to its charging base, so no manual effort needed. One thing to keep in mind, this model doesn't have smart mapping or app control. It uses a random navigation pattern, which means it may take a bit longer to cover large spaces compared to advanced models. But for its price range, the performance is still very reliable. Overall, the eufy 11S Max is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, affordable, and effective robot vacuum without complicated features. It's especially great for apartments, small homes, or as a secondary cleaning device. If you're looking to make your daily cleaning effortless, this is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest tech reviews right here on Gadgetverse.